Hello, I've imported a front and a side reference image of a building that I want to draw in Blender. Beautiful artwork, I hope you'll agree. I have already done some work, that is, I've got the left hand side of this structure drawn, extruded, moved, but either I haven't got round to the right hand side or I've made a mess of it. But I can use Blender to automate that task effectively of mirroring or making symmetrical this side with this side. So that I can see the wood for the trees, I will get rid for now of the front and the side of the building, and I'll go to wireframe mode, because funny things happen when you don't go to wireframe mode and edit. I'll go to vertex select all of the points for the building. So I want to copy everything from the left hand side to the right hand side. With everything selected, I can say mesh, symmetrize, and it's jolly well done it. How did it know to make its decisions? Those choices are down here, so by default we go from -x to +x, which is to say that in the front orthographic view it copies everything from the left to the right. But if we reverse that and do +x to -x, then it takes everything from the right and copies it to the left. I'll now return to the option that we wanted originally, which was to select from the left and copy it all over to the right when viewed from front orthographic, and that's -x to +x. I'll now bring back in the front and side reference images, and then let's make it solid again. And sure, I've left out the dome at the moment, but that's okay. If I now go to Z and solid, then that's okay. Quite pleased with that. Thanks, bye.